Scene one, take one.
Correct. What would probably be the first thing then? Oh yeah. Cool. Everybody set? Everybody happy?
Could you tell me your name and why you joined Boom Satsuma?
My name is Finley Holland. I joined Boom Satsuma because I hated school and I wanted to do something new.
And what's been your favourite part of Boom Satsuma so far?
My favourite part of Boom Sorry. My favourite part of Boom Satsuma is probably the people.
Nice. Okay, everybody set?
Yeah.
Action! Why did you join Boom Satsuma?
I joined Boom Satsuma because it had like more like hands-on and like no exams, so I thought it'd be more fun than writing about filming rather than actually doing it.
And what's been your favourite part of Boom Satsuma so far?
Making friends with all the new people here because I didn't know anyone before I joined, so it was nice to meet like a fresh bunch of people, and everyone's really nice, and so are the teachers. So.
Why was that slightly wrong?
What?
Because you didn't start with it.
Oh my god.
So can you do that again?
Yeah. My favourite part of Boom Satsuma is like the teachers and the kids. It was really nice to meet everyone, and everyone's really nice.
Great.
That's cut.